Hello, ako nga pala si Sarah, ang mahilig magbalat ng patatas. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung paano magbalat ng patatas.
Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Atitik.
What is up everybody, Ken here. Welcome back to my channel and you are once again in
FUD WARS!
where food will do head-to-head battle and we will find out at the end who will reign supreme. So mainit-init ang labanan natin today. Sa sobrang init, pawis na sila. And here are our contestants.
Wendy's Frosty, 39 pesos. McDonald's McFlurry, 45 pesos. Dairy Queen's Blizzard, 99 pesos.
So eto na ang ating mga competitors for today. And sa sobrang init ng panahon at sa sobrang tagal ko, medyo tunaw-tunaw na silang lahat. But that will not stop us from reviewing our Frosty, our McFlurry, and our Oreo Blizzard. So syempre, as usual, before natin sila tikman, kailangan mo nating i-smell test ang bawat ice cream na to. So itong Frosty, very chocolatey yung amoy niya. Up next, yung McFlurry. So ito naman, amoy na amoy mo yung Oreo sa McFlurry. Lastly, itong Blizzard. Whew. Wala siyang amoy. So tapos na ang ating smell test, and with that, I think very close lang yung amoy ng Frosty at nitong McFlurry. So with that, they both get 1 point. Oras na para tikman natin itong mga ice cream na to. Huwag na natin ito patagalin dahil habang tumatagal, nagiging sabaw na lamang sila. Let's start off with Wendy's Frosty. And sadly, tunaw na tong aking mga ice cream. So itong review natin today ay review ng mga tunaw na ice cream. So itong Frosty, again, it's very chocolatey. I think this is a taste na magugustuhan ng mga bata, especially ng mga bata. Kasi habang kinakain mo siya, parang yung lasa niya, it brings you back to your childhood. Up next, tikman naman natin itong McFlurry. So kung napapansin nyo kung bakit parang ang saya-saya ako kumain itong mga ice cream, it's because ang paborito kong dessert ay none other than ice cream. Kahit anong ice cream pa yan, ice cream is ice cream. So itong McFlurry, I think I like the combination of the McDonald's sundae and yung Oreo kasi I think it complements each other very, very well. And I also like that it has a very generous amount of Oreo, and it has this milky flavor that I really love. And lastly, itong Blizzard na Oreo cookies and cream din. I think itong ice cream ng Dairy Queen is not as sweet kesa dito sa McFlurry. And at the same time, it's much more creamier. Much more na creamier pa. And it's a much creamier ice cream, which sort of tells me na it's a better quality ice cream kaysa dito sa McFlurry. However, itong McFlurry just mixes really well dun sa Oreo, and it can stand toe-to-toe dito sa Dairy Queen ice cream. Ito namang Frosty has a league of its own, so I think it's only proper na dito sa episode na to, I can only declare a draw. Because DQ has the better ice cream, McFlurry has the better combination, and the Frosty, I just can't explain. Parang hindi ko siya kayang ilagay below sa McFlurry and sa Dairy Queen ice cream. So that is it, you guys. So I think this rightfully ends with a draw, and bago pa bumalik yung kapatid ko, I think kailangan ko nang ubusin tong ice cream bago pa ako maunahan. Hmm. Mm. Okay, I'll admit, I think that was a wrong move kasi nararamdaman ko na sasakit yung tiyan ko dito maya-maya lang. So that is it, you guys. Wait, I think kailangan ko muna ng water.
Hello! I'm back! So mukhang matatagalan pa siya sa CR kaya ako nang tatapos nito. So kung gusto niyo pa ako makita sa mga videos na to, click the like button. Siguro mga around 50, pwede na yun na sinasabi niyang gusto pa namin makita si Sarah! Pero kung hindi umabot, bakit huli ko? Tapos kung gusto niyo pa akong makitang kumain sa mga susunod na videos, click niyo na rin yung subscribe button. Tsaka yung maliit na kung ano man yan. Basta lahat ang nakikita niyo dyan, pindutin niyo na! Ano pa hinihintay niyo? Tara na! Nag-video pa din?